welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about when I'm going to be packing my hospital bag. My little guy's due in 4 to 5 weeks, so I went ahead and started getting it ready. I'll be going over different products and stuff that I definitely recommend, must-haves. So I'll be covering all that, and I'll link everything down below. Also, I'll be talking about snacks as well, because you never know what time your baby will be born. If it's late at night, they're definitely not going to have the cafeteria open or anything like that. So I'll go ahead and go over what I'm going to be packing in my snack bag. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so the first thing I'm going to be going over are the diapers. I'm packing 7th generation diapers just because I don't know how his skin's going to be. And so I'm anticipating it being sensitive, that sensitive newborn skin, and I want him to be as comfortable as possible. So these are really good, and they're also really good for the environment, which is awesome. So I'm definitely packing these. My sister used these for years and she loved them. And so I already knew that I had wanted to try these to begin with. So this is something I'll be packing in my diaper bag. All right, and the next thing is going to be also the 7th generation baby wipes. Again, these are sensitive for your baby's skin, so that's going to be really, really nice. And they're really easy on the skin as well. When I used to help take care of my nephews, I used to use this on them, and it was great. And they never had any allergic reaction. So it's really good for their skin as well. The next thing I'm going to be going over are going to be the Baby's Ointment Multipurpose by Maty's All Natural. So, again, this is going to be really good for their skin. It's not going to irritate it. You can use it as a diaper cream as well. So this is something I'm definitely going to be taking in my diaper bag. Alrighty, and for moms, so I definitely recommend this Earth Mama Organic Nipple Butter. So I have been using this probably for over half my pregnancy. Your nipples do get really sore, your boobs get really sore, and if you've been pregnant before, obviously you know this. So I definitely recommend this. It's all organic, so you can definitely use it while breastfeeding as well, and that's something that's really important for me. So what it's going to look like inside is more like a wax. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's going to look more like a wax. But the natural heat from your skin will melt it down to an oil, and it's awesome. I love it. I love putting it on after I take a shower, so I definitely recommend this. And again, I will link this below. I got this one off Amazon. All right. So, I know some moms, they don't like getting stretch marks. I get it. I totally understand. So I actually got this Burp Cloth, and it's for stretch mark oil. And it's also going to be, this one is going to be from the Spoiled Mama. I've been using this probably for about half my pregnancy. I have not had any stretch marks, but I mean, I don't know if it's because of this or if it's because it's just genetic. But again, in any case, it's really nice to put on after you take a warm shower. I love it, and it's a lavender smell. It is going to be more of an oil, but it doesn't dry oily. So it's going to be really nice. It's going to really soak into your skin, and it just relaxes you. That lavender smell is just awesome. So I definitely recommend this. All right, so I'm going to be taking the my Honest Company shampoo and body wash. So I really am excited to try this. I haven't tried it just yet, but it's going to be in the scent lavender, and it's going to be all natural. It's organic. So I'm going to be definitely taking this just because hopefully you can take a shower after. I'm hoping I can take a shower after. So I'll be definitely taking this. Again, so this is lotion from the Honest Company as well. It's going to be Sweet Curves body lotion. So I'm really excited to try this. I haven't tried this, so I'm saving all these products for when I go to the hospital. So I'm excited to try this as well after my shower, of course. All right, so I will be packing these. These are open because I had already packed them in my diaper bag, but I will go ahead and pack these as well. They're just disposable, pretty much underwear, but they have built-in pads as well. So I know this is like a really sensitive subject because a lot of people don't like to talk about it, but I will be packing these, and you want to be comfortable, so I thought I would go ahead and share what I'll be wearing after, and hopefully that'll give you guys some good ideas of what you might want to wear as well. Alrighty, so now onto the cute stuff. So I will be packing him 3 different outfits. I don't know how long we're gonna be in the hospital for. I'm hoping not that long, but just in case, I did pack him 3 outfits, and I'll go and link those below. 2 of them are from H&M, and I absolutely I love them. I couldn't find the links to these specific outfits, but they are from H&M. Also, I'll be packing, this is gonna be a Burp Cloth. I love these because they're a little bit like heavier on the ends. So you can just throw them over your shoulder, which is awesome, and they'll stay put. So I'm really excited about that. So I'm gonna be packing a couple of these as well, just in case. And also, I'm going to be packing a couple of swaddling blankets. So my sister actually got me these from TJ Maxx. I love this one. They're super cute. They're a little bit thinner, so it'll be easier to wrap your baby up. So I definitely recommend TJ Maxx. I absolutely love these. So this one's in polka dots. Alrighty. And last but not least, I did order him binkies, and I'll go ahead and link those below as well. They just haven't came in yet, but oh my gosh, I love them. They're so cute. And also my other sister, so she gave me these clips, little passy holders, to go ahead and clip twist onesies. That way I'm not losing any pacifiers. I definitely recommend packing these because God knows you're gonna lose a bunch of pacifiers. So definitely buy some of these as well. They're awesome. Like, I'm so excited to use these. They're super cute. But so that's gonna be what I'm gonna be packing in my hospital bag as far as him. I do have to pack my own outfit, so I do plan on taking a robe. I'll be taking a robe. Again, I'll be packing snacks as well. So the snacks I'll probably be packing are going to be just stuff that's not going to spoil. So I'll probably pack like crackers, some cutie oranges, just something that's easy to snack on, especially for my husband as well, because he's not going to be able to probably leave the hospital at all due to COVID. So I'm just fortunate that he's able to go with me at all. So I'll be packing like just like different snacks like that, maybe some jerky, just like anything really that you know is not gonna go bad. Also my outfits, I'm gonna be taking a couple of changes of clothes for myself just in case. The robe I definitely recommend getting. I know some moms don't get them, but I definitely recommend getting, just because if you do plan on breastfeeding, your shirt is gonna be off most of the time. So especially if you're not comfortable with just like, you know, letting everything hang out, it's nice because you'll be able to open your robe, get your baby to latch on, and then afterwards you'll be able to tie your robe up again and just feel a little bit more comfortable. I know I'm not definitely comfortable, so that's one of the reasons why I'll be packing a robe. And also, you can take a pillow, a blanket. I probably won't take a pillow, but I'll definitely be taking a blanket, just to get a little something from home, just to be more comfortable. So that's something that I will definitely be doing as well. But yeah, that's going to be my diaper bag, well, hospital bag. But if you guys have any questions about some of the products and where I got them from, definitely ask me below. Again, I will be linking everything as well. Alrighty guys, until next time.